How would it feel to be able to change who and what you attract? In this video, I'll teach you the underlying science to the law of attraction and what it means to master your emotional state. Subscribe to my channel for insight into changing and improving your mindset, mastering your emotional state, insight into entrepreneurship, and maybe even a fitness tip or two. I'm Joe DiBianca, mindset coach and emotional healer. In this video, I'll teach you how to change who and what you attract and how learning to master your emotional state will change your life. Subscribe to my channel and show that little bell right down there some love so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video every Friday. There's a mind-body connection that everyone forms to the past events, and those past events shape your current feelings and current behavior. Your emotions emit an etheric energy, and your emotions actually create your future. Each emotion has its own energy level and sends a corresponding signal out that pertains to your level of consciousness or your level of conscious awareness. This whole thing was first proven and discovered by the late great David Hawkins. He developed this chart, and I'll share it with you in just 1 second. 75% of the population is emitting energy from below 200, which is the lower half of this chart. If the vibrational energy you are giving off is coming from a place of unresolved anger, resentment, fear, shame, guilt, those are the very people and situations that you're going to continue to attract to your reality. Think of it like this. Everyone has this invisible antenna sticking out of their forehead that will attract to it that which you are. As you become really honest with yourself, as you become more aware of why you keep on doing what you're doing, you then begin to separate. Once you begin to separate your feelings from the past events that shaped them, you begin the process of letting go of that which no longer serves you. As you let go, you begin to move into the higher levels of emotional awareness, courage, joy, peace, bliss, happiness. And that's where you deserve to be. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what your biggest takeaway was and leave your comment right down below. Please share it with someone who you would feel could benefit from this information. And if you are personally seeking a breakthrough and would like insight into what emotional blocks are in your way, go to my site, joedibianca.com, and schedule your complimentary 20-minute discovery call because you deserve to have it all.